Going towards the video, I would like to ask you to read this disclaimer. Pause for a second. Okay, if you read it, then move forward.
Trade without looking at your balance. Okay, guys, this is my balance of the day. It is 100,000, $2,005, and this is gold USD. Okay, and it is 5 minute chart. Okay, guys, and today is 25th January 2021. If you could see, once these two strong candle formed, once this candle broke this little support and followed by another strong candle. Then I waited for a little pullback. So this was a pullback, and once this green candle overpowered by this candle, I made a sell trade. I made a short entry where my risk is $1,000 and I will make $1,200 by risking $1,000. And if you see, this is right now trade in is going in profit, so I'm in $500 profit. Is most probably is going down. Oh yes, if you see this, and my trade has closed, and see, $1,200 has been added into my account. So this it was my first trade of the day, which is winner. Okay, guys, before going towards second trade, see, this is my balance, and again I'm going short on gold. Okay, before going short towards gold, okay, I'm short on the gold right now. Press the this is my balance before this trade, and right now I'm in negative because of the spread, and also price went back a little. And if you could see, I just placed my stop loss above this candle. So I will tell you the reason why I have entered in this trade. See, it was my first trade, which was towards down track. It was short trade, and second trade I also made a short entry. Once this candle touched this high and made a wick, so I got opportunity to for another short trade. So again, my risk is $1,000 and my reward will be $1,200. It is 1 to 1.2. See, right now I'm in negative. Let's see where this trade does go. So candle is going up. So most probably it will hit my stop loss. So in any case, no problem. I will lose $1,000. Okay, it is about to hit. Yes, if you see, this is a losing trade, my friends. Immediately, market told me, Mister, you are wrong, so get out. So okay, I accept it. So I get out from that trade. Okay, guys. The $1,000 has been reduced from my target or from my balance. So now it is only 104,006. 100,004 So this was a losing trade basically. Okay, guys. If you see, this was first trade which was winner. It was second where I immediately got stopped out, and now it is my third trade. The principle is same. I was looking for a short entry on gold, and once this candle, see, price was going up, and see this little small tiny green candle, which shows that buyer don't have gas left. Basically, the buyer has lose the power here. So it was the time where I should enter. Here I also did try to enter in the trade, but this candle doesn't cross this the low of this candle. But here, this candle, if this candle cross the low of this candle, where I am drawn a line, if this candle goes below this line, I will make entry, another short trade on this trade, and it will be my third trade of the day. Okay, guys, candle has crossed, and I will be enter in the trade. Yes, I am entering the trade. So now I am setting my stop loss, which will be $1,000. Price went back. As you could see, my entry was little below because of the slippage. But anyway, see, before this trade, my balance is 100,406, 100,406. Okay, and if I win, then 1,200 will be added into this balance. Right now, I'm in negative $500, so I'm adjusting my stop loss up to $1,000 because I'm taking fixed risk on every trade. Right now, if you could see, I'm in profit, $519, but price hasn't reached my target yet. Let's see, does it reach or not? Okay, if you see, price just reached near to my take profit and then went back towards my entry. But no problem, as I have been taking a fixed risk, so I will not manipulate my stop loss. Okay, so if I lose, I will lose $1,000, but if I'll make, I will make a $1,200. So third trade of the day. Okay, guys, if you could notice that, because I can't sit in front of my computer, my recording was on. Once and I went outside. So if you could see this logo, because my computer's battery was running low, which I didn't charge because I was not sitting. Because once you in the trade, if you are doing fixed risk to reward ratio, then there's no need to stare at your computer. Because if you do it, then it will create doubts in your mind. Okay, when I came back, I have seen this. My trade again went into positive territory where my target is about to hit. Okay, it is 1100. I know. Okay, guys, done. It has reached it has hit my target, and if you see, 1,200 has been added into my account. Trade, and this is the time where I come back into the. When I came back and I have seen that trade has been hit the target. Here I would like to tell you something. It was my first entry, which was a winner. This was my second entry, which was a loser, and it was my third entry, which was also a winner. And if you see, and if you notice, instead going for long wins, if you scalp the market, how good it is if you know how to scalp it. Otherwise, if you see the price is not going towards any direction, but still I have been managed to make profit by fixed risk to reward ratio. And if you are watching this video and you don't know what I am talking about, I have a video regarding this, and I will provide the link of that video in my description. So you should watch that video and then you will realize what I want to say. So, guys, thank you very much for watching the video.